Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Harvesta EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, break down the developer's explanation of how it works, look at its recommended trading setup, and then review the historical testing performance before finishing with my final thoughts. Starting with the marketplace listing, Harvesta EA is priced at 299 US dollars and developed by Jamike Ugoji. The version shown here is 1.3, last updated on March 10th, 2023, with 10 activations listed. From the description, this is an expert advisor built around a probabilistic approach designed to trade congestion zones using supply and demand principles. As I scroll through the page, the developer highlights that the EA is intended to be robust across different trading environments, with claims that it is not heavily affected by broker conditions, leverage, or slippage. Now, while I'm just observing what is written here, that's the main positioning of the system on the marketplace. Moving into the recommendations section, Harvesta is designed for the M15 time frame with a recommended balance of $3,000. The suggested pairs include a mix of NZD and AUD across, NZD and AUD crosses such as the NZD CAD, GBP NZD, AUD CAD, AUD NZD, NZD USD, Euro GBP, NZD CHF, Euro AUD, GBP AUD, and GBP CAD. Now, the developer also notes that default settings are already configured for these pairs, which suggests the EA is meant to be used in a relatively structured setup. Another important detail here is the lot sizing guidance. The developer recommends starting with 0.01 lot and increasing recovery additions every $3,000 in account size. This gives a sense of how position sizing is intended to scale within the system. Moving into the feature section, Harvesta EA includes a single chart setup, which means it is designed to manage trading activity from one chart rather than requiring multiple instances. It also includes a news filter, which is intended to avoid trading during high impact news periods. There are built-in stop loss mechanisms along with hidden and dynamic take profits management, which are designed to handle exits in a flexible way rather than fixed targets. The EA also includes a recovery factor, which the developer describes as dynamic and safe, aimed at recovering from drawdowns in a controlled manner. Additionally, the installation is described as straightforward with most settings already pre-configured for the recommended trading pairs. Before moving into testing, the developer also provides a setup instruction related to enabling web requests for the Forex Factory news calendar. This is used to support the news filtering functionality within the EA. Now, moving into the historical testing section, it is important to remember that we are reviewing, what we are reviewing here is historical backtest performance and not future results. The EA is designed around probabilistic trading in congestion zones, meaning the logic focuses on price behavior in range-bound conditions based on supply and demand areas. So based on the reports we have here, initial deposit $3,000, total net profit $3,310.01. The total trades taken were 4,863, out of which 4,285 were profitable, giving us an 88.11% win rate. Okay, so this is NZD CAD 15 minutes time frame. Here we have GBP NZD 15 minutes as well. Total net profit in this case was 2,372, 91.98% win rate. Here this is NZD CAD 89.09% win rate over 74,000 net profit from $500 deposit. Wow, this looks impressive. But remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Let's head over to our strategy tester. We're testing the Harvesta EA on NZDCAD, one of the recommended pairs on the M15 time frame. We are using the every tick modeling backtesting over the past 3 months. And here we can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, total net profit was just $3.13. 5 trades we are taking, out of which 4 were profitable, giving us an 80% win rate. Largest profit was $2.19, largest loss 1.59, average profit 1.18, average loss 1.59, giving us a bad risk to reward ratio. So now I'm going to turn on the visual so that we can also see the EA in action. Okay, so when looking at the historical chart behavior, the structure of the system suggests that entries are likely triggered during consolidation phases where price moves within defined zones. The use of stop loss, dynamic take profit, and recovery logic indicates that trade management is designed to adapt as market conditions evolve rather than relying on a single fixed exit model. Now, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves across different market cycles and symbol conditions. This helps especially with multi-pair systems like this, where performance can vary depending on market structure. As with any historical backtest results, performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and overall market conditions. User optimization also plays a key role in how the system performs in real environments. So overall, Harvesta EA for MT4 is a multi-pair expert advisor built around probabilistic trading in congestion zones. Now, using supply and demand principles, news filtering, and dynamic trade management. Before using it live, I would strongly suggest thorough forward testing and optimization to understand how it behaves under your specific trading conditions and risk preferences. Okay, and when back testing, I would also recommend you test it over a longer period of time, maybe 2 years, 3 years, or even more, so that you can capture a wider range of market conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.